What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You've been asking me to remake my best OBS recording settings video with the new OBS update. It's been a while, so if you want your stream to look nice, crispy, clear, and smooth, this video is for you. I'm going to make it as quick and painless as possible. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is head to our settings in the bottom right corner of OBS. In the General tab, there's not much that affects your recordings. I suggest using the Yami theme. It looks really nice. Make sure to enable source alignment snapping. Snap sources to edge of screen, snap sources to other sources. This allows you to line up your sources smoothly on your scenes. I suggest having it enabled and setting your snap sensitivity to 10. In the Streaming tab, we'll skip that since this is about recording settings. Head over to the Output tab, and this is where things get different. Change the output mode from Simple to Advanced, and then go to the Recording tab. Set your recording path to where you want your videos to go. For recording format, I use MP4, but if you're doing longer recordings, you might want to record in FLV and then remux to MP4. For video encoder, if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, use NVIDIA NVENCH264. For an AMD GPU, use the AMD counterpart. Avoid using X264 as it's very heavy on your CPU. Set your audio encoder to FFmpeg AAC and keep your audio track on 1. Don't rescale your output here. We can downscale later. For rate control, set this to CQP and set your CQ level between 16 and 20. The lower you go, the better the quality, but keep in mind file sizes increase. For keyframe interval, set it to 2 seconds. Your preset will depend on your machine. Start with the slowest and adjust as needed. Set tuning to high quality and multi-pass mode to full resolution if possible. Keep your profile on high and ensure psycho visual tuning is checked. Set your GPU to 0 and max B-frames to 2. In the Audio tab, set your sample rate to 48 and channels to stereo. For your global audio devices, select what you're using for your stream or recording. In the Video tab, set your base canvas resolution to what your monitor is. I use 1080p at 60 fps. If you're downscaling, choose the appropriate settings and downscale filter. Set your FPS values according to your needs. In the Hotkeys tab, you can assign keys on your keyboard to perform functions within OBS. In the Advanced tab, keep your process priority set to normal to avoid overburdening your system. Set your color space to 709 and color format to NV12. Keep your color range to limited for accurate colors. If you're worried about MP4 file corruption, enable automatic remux to MP4 in the Recording tab and record in MKV format. This is more recoverable if your computer crashes. And that's it, guys. That's my best OBS recording settings for games, YouTube videos, and more. Start with these settings and tweak them as needed for your machine. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss my next video.